Today I'm excited to introduce to you the new ProLED Select Commercial Downlight series. This is a cost-effective, highly flexible solution for adding recessed downlighting to any commercial lighting application. This exciting product is both colour and wattage selectable and is available in both 6 and 8-inch housings. The product features a white aluminium recessed trim which adds depth to the fixture and reduces glare. The diffused polycarbonate lens creates a smooth, consistent light output while providing superior visual comfort. What truly separates the ProLED Select Commercial Downlight from the competition is the innovative wattage and CCT selectability. The 6-inch trim offers the ability to choose between 10, 15 and 22 watt with lumen packages up to 1950 lumens. The 8-inch trim offers adjustability between 12, 20 and 30 watt at up to 2500 lumens. They are CCT selectable between 3, 4 and 5000 Kelvin. All this adjustability allows us to cover 18 different products in just 2 SKUs. This product features a universal voltage driver with 0 to 10 volt dimming, 90 plus CRI for precise colour rendering, and they are IC rated and UL listed for wet locations, making it one of the most versatile commercial downlights on the market. For more information on the new ProLED Select Commercial Downlight series, visit our website at halcolighting.com or find us on social media.